Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. This is Sanchita Sinha back on your screen, and if you're here for the first time, I am Sanchita. I make videos on makeup, hauls, lifestyle and home decor in future. So from the title itself, you guys have made it out that this look is a very classic glam soft look with the use of bare minimum colors in eyes. So it is more of black and browns, and that too on the matte shades, not the glitter ones. I have just used some glitter, or rather I'll say some highlighter in the inner corners. Apart from that, it is just matte shades. To know that how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. And yes, before you leave my video, at the end please subscribe and hit that bell button down below, because you guys will mean the world to me. And when you hit the bell button, the next time I upload a new video, you will be updated. So without wasting further much of time, let's come to the video. Begin with, I have taken my Inside HD Pore concealer and I'll just put it on the eyelid and just conceal my eyelid properly with it. After that, I'm taking my Nykaa compact. I'll link the shades below and just conceal that area so that any crease line doesn't come. Now I'm taking the Swiss Beauty palette. This is a 32 color professional palette, and this is amazing. And now I'm drawing a line with the black eyeshadow from this palette in this angular direction very slowly, and just be very patient while doing it. And then I'm pushing the black color inside. So at this point of time it might look very messy, but trust me, the outcome comes very nicely. Now I'm taking a brown shade with the help of a blending brush, and I'm just blending the crease line. Don't worry if the brown color comes on the black line. You can always just do the colors all over again. Like, I believe that when you're doing an eyeshadow or an eye makeup, you can just rectify or change it at any point of the time with the help of the colors and brushes. So just keep blending it very gently and patiently. Now I'm taking a light color brown shade from that palette, and with the help of a pencil brush, just doing a little creasing over there. Again, with my Real Technique blending brush, I'll blend everything together. You see, I have done it and how it looks so beautiful. Now I'm taking this concealer again on the tip and then just marking it so that I have an idea which is the area where I end the cut crease. Now I'm taking this concealer in the back of the hand, and with the help of a brush, I'll just do a slight cut crease. So the point where the marking came, I have done the cut crease until then, and just blending it really well. After that, I'm taking a lighter shade of brown which has a little shimmer in it and placing it in the middle. I am not taking it till the inner corners. And then taking a banana powder from the Wet n Wild palette, I am just putting it in the extreme inner corner. I have not put any eyeshadow in those inner corners, left it bare like that. After this, I am again taking my little pencil brush and taking all the colors slowly in the lower lash line and on the upper lash line to give that intense look. And now once I'm done with the eyes, I'll just take my Nykaa highlighter, the shimmer palette, and putting it in the inner corner of the eyes. Take my blending brush once again and just blend everything together so that it looks nice. This is the final look, like very bougie, very classy, and you know what to do. Now the drill, just like, share and subscribe and show some love to the effort I am making. And until next time, stay safe, stay at home. Bye.